In this video, I demonstrate how to request and set up a new Clinician account using one of the Mobile Technology Lab health screening apps. This function is only available if your organization has a collaboration or partnership with Mobile Technology Lab. So to request an account, first we need to change the mode of this application to be able to do a study and register patients and doctors. So to do that, we click on the settings and we change the setting to clinical. And now you can see the patient buttons appear on the screen. So the first thing we want to do to request an account is we want to log in. And right now there are no profiles listed because we just recently installed this application on the phone. Nobody else has used it, so this is blank. So we want to do register new, and we're going to create a new profile for a clinician. So a clinician could be a doctor or a nurse or anybody who's actually going to be interacting with the patients. So I'm going to pick, just make up a name. So I will say Tom, first name, last name, Smith. Gender, we can say male. Role, I will say GP doctor. Now the following fields, these are optional, but you need to include at least a clinician ID or a login username so that the server can have a file for you. So I'm not going to put a phone number or an email right now, but I will just use, for example, I'll choose a login name. I'll just say Toto123, and clinician ID, I will say health 337. Okay, now I'm going to submit the request, so I push the submit request button. It asks, do you want to upload this to the cloud? And I'm going to say yes. So now it's submitting this, and it says continue, so I click on continue. So now, as you can see down below, I am now logged into the phone as this new user named Tom Smith, but next to the name is this icon. There's a cloud with a red X inside, and that means I am not yet authorized to use the cloud. So I'm not currently logged into the cloud because there's a dotted line and there's a red X. So you can see if I try clicking on the patient, it says login required. So I'm not allowed because I'm not yet approved to use this on the server. So, but I can, if I want to, I can edit my settings. I could go to my profile, I could change or add my phone number, or I can log out, for example. That's the only thing I could do right now while I'm waiting to get approved. I will pause here, and then I will show you after the account is approved on the server, I will show you what you can do. After some time, somebody from the Mobile Technology Lab will contact you after your account has been approved, and you will receive a message with your new password and also the names of the different studies that you have been assigned to. So once you have that information, you can then log into the server. So I can click on here and I can log in, or the other way is I can just click up here and I can log out and then I can log back in. It's the same thing. As you can see here, currently my profile is waiting to be approved because I have not yet logged in. But once I receive the information from the Mobile Technology Lab, I can then log in. So I'm going to do log in with cloud, and I will use the information that was used during the registration. So for example, if I use my phone number or email address or username, remember you have to choose one of those, and I chose a username. So the username that I chose just happened to be Toto123. And the password which I received from the Mobile Technology Lab, I will type that in right now. And now I can log in. So as you can see, I have been added to two different groups. One is called Test Group 3, and the other one is called DACA COVID-19. So I will choose the test group, and now I'm logged in. So now you can see on the bottom, my name is there because I am logged into the phone, but above it, it says Test Group 3. So that tells you which group you are currently using in your account. And next to it, you can see now the cloud icon is a green cloud with a check mark. So that means you are successfully logged into the account. And now you can begin to see patients and collect data. And I will also show you these other functions. So you can go back to my profile. I can change or add things like, for example, I could add my email or my phone. I can also go to my groups, and if I want to change from test group 3, if I want to change to this, the COVID-19 study, I select that, and I could say set as active group. So now I am, as you can see from the sign below, the label says DACA COVID-19. So I am now logged into the other study. And so this allows you to keep the patients separate. So you can have one set of patients that are in one study and a different set of patients that are in different studies. So the two studies will not be mixed together. I want to go back to the test group. So I'm going to change this back to test group and set it as my active group. And of course I can log out, and when I try to log in again, as you can see, my profile is now listed. So another person can log in, or if I want to log in again, I just click on that, and I have to type in my password because I logged out. So I have to type in my password again. Okay. And then I have to select which study I am logging into, and there you go. So that completes the video. Thank you for watching. And in another video, I will demonstrate how to actually collect data from a patient and to take measurements. I have finished showing you how to register for an account and how to set up the phone once you receive the information from the Mobile Technology Lab. Thank you.